5 weightlifting exercises for absolute beginners. January is National Fitness Month. Despite the fact that most gyms are closed for the new year, the number of persons joining the exercise and weight loss train is higher than it has ever been. Most folks who are terrified of going to the gym have been converted to home training as a consequence of the epidemic. Many of you life hack readers may even have purchased my Busy Yet Fit Home Workouts video course, and are now stocking up on dumbbells and barbells to spice up their home workouts. To stimulate muscle growth, burn more calories, and build overall strength, adding beginner-friendly weightlifting exercises to a simple body weight regimen is the next obvious step. On the other hand, improperly done weightlifting exercises might result in major injuries, and certain workouts may be ineffective, resulting in you wasting your time doing something that doesn't assist you at all. For the reasons stated above, I'm going to share with you my top 5 favorite and most effective weightlifting exercises that every beginner should learn before moving on to more advanced routines. Nothing beats having a personal trainer scrutinize your moves. When I first start working with a new client, I usually have to spend a lot of time correcting risky movement patterns or tight, achy joints. Please do not attempt to lift big weights without supervision if you are concerned about your posture or have lower back, shoulder, or neck problems. Weight training basics you need to know. If you wish to lift weights, you need be familiar with the few fundamental gym lingo terms. Repetition, or rep for short, refers to a single weight lift or workout activity. A set of reps, or a set for short, is a sequence of repetitions. 3 sets of 10 repetitions of an exercise, frequently expressed as 3 by 10, for example, 3 sets of 10 squats, is a common workout advice for beginners. To obtain a feel for the method, start with 1 or 2 repetitions with a little weight. Then attempt doing up to 10 repetitions in a row, 1 set. For comfort and useful intensity, try lower or larger weights. You may be lifting too big a weight if you can only accomplish less than 8 reps. If you can perform more than 12 reps without exerting too much effort, say 20, you may need to increase the weight a little. However, some strength endurance regimens utilize this number of reps. This is true for all of the exercises presented. Rest between sets to allow your body to restore its energy system in preparation for the following round. Depending on the intensity and weight, the time between sets might be as little as 60 seconds or as long as 5 minutes. For a 10-rep set of moderate to low intensity, 1 to 2 minutes of break is generally sufficient. Safety basics you need to know. When completing strenuous workouts, particularly weightlifting activities, you must be cautious since poor technique might result in injury. Rounded back. Exercises such as the squat, leg press, and deadlift involve motions that put the spine under stress in ways that might lead to injury, especially in the lumbar or lower spine. The significance of maintaining the back straight or slightly arched in the neutral posture throughout such exercises cannot be overstated, especially for novices. Please, no rounded backs. Hyperextension. Pushing a joint beyond its usual range of motion is known as hyperextension. Excessive joint mobility can cause damage if ligaments and tendons are overworked. Because of this worry, it is standard advised not to lock out the arms at the elbows or the legs at the knees when doing a variety of weightlifting activities. Okay, that's enough of the dull stuff. Let's get to the meat, or, should I say, let's get to the iron, as the case may be. Compound movements. These are the basic workouts that you would do with a bar or dumbbells. Compound motions are so named because they involve many joints at once and engage a huge number of muscles, making them your go-to workout. To create a firm foundation of general strength and muscle mass, any smart weightlifting training regimen for beginners will focus mostly on compound exercises. 1. Squat. Targets: lower body. Equipment needed: barbell or 2 dumbbells. The squat lift is perhaps one of the most effective weightlifting exercises for increasing lower body and leg strength and power. Because this is a complex exercise that involves numerous muscles and joints at the same time, mastering it safely will take considerable training and practice. Squats increase the strength, endurance, and power of lower body muscles. They also activate the core and increase the trunk and upper body's strength and stability. 2. Chest press. Targets: chest, arms, shoulders. Equipment needed: dumbbells, barbell. This workout focuses on the pectorals, which are the primary chest muscles. The anterior deltoids of the shoulder and the triceps brachii of the upper arm are also used. Building breast support and definition is beneficial for a fit appearance, but it also serves a useful purpose. For sports where you swing a bat, racket, or club, you need powerful pecs for force. Any daily tasks that require pushing or carrying benefit from the chest press. 3. Deadlift. Targets: full body, hamstrings, quadriceps, gluteals, lower back, trapezius. Equipment needed: barbell or dumbbells. The deadlift is an excellent technique to sculpt your legs and backside. In a deadlift, you lift the weight from the ground to thigh level with the help of your leg and hip muscles, as well as the majority of your body's main muscle groups. The deadlift is normally done with the bar and plates or a stationary barbell, but dumbbells can also be used. It's a powerlifting specialty that shouldn't be overlooked in general fitness weight training. Make the deadlift a part of your strength training routine to gain muscle and functional fitness. 4. Overhead press. Targets: shoulders. Equipment needed: dumbbells. The dumbbell overhead press strengthens the shoulders while also engaging the core for stability. It's done with dumbbells held horizontally at the shoulders or rotated in a hammer grip in either a seated or standing posture. Sitting helps to support the back, but standing engages a broader variety of muscles. Beginners should start with small weights and gradually increase until they discover a weight that they can lift with good technique for 10 reps but are exhausted at the last rep. Start with 5-pound weights for women and 10-pound dumbbells for males. This exercise may be used in any upper body strength program. 5. Lat pull down, if you can't perform pull-ups. Targets: shoulders, back. Equipment needed: cable pulley machine. Because most novices would be unable to lift themselves up, the lat pull-down machine is an excellent place to begin building back muscles. The back muscles, particularly the latissimus dorsi, or lats, are worked during the pull-down exercise. It's done at a workstation with variable resistance, which is commonly plates. Pull a hanging bar down toward you to chin level while sitting with your upper thighs bound beneath the thigh pad, then release it with control for 1 repeat. You may perform this exercise to get a V-shaped back. What about body sculpting exercises? How can I get rid of my flabby arms? Is a question I'm frequently asked. Or how can I get rid of my love handles and inner thighs? The harsh reality is that concentrating on minor body parts does not produce results, no matter how hard you try. Spending a lot of time on your biceps, stomach, or obliques as a novice won't get you the physique of your dreams. Long-term improvement may be achieved by focusing on complex movements to build a lot of strength and a firm muscular basis, as well as incorporating some posture correction exercises. That's why, for the first 6 to 12 months of weight training, you should concentrate on the 5 exercises outlined above. Disclaimer: this article is solely meant to provide general information and does not address specific circumstances. It is not a substitute for professional advice or assistance, and it should not be used to make any judgments. For the diagnosis and treatment of any medical issues, a professional physician should be consulted. Any decisions you make based on the information in this report are your own. If you're looking for weight loss secrets, have a look at this